So I'm going to show you how I shower anywhere while we're camping. This is a really simple setup. It's not expensive. You probably may have most of the items that you need already, but if you don't, you can buy all of these things for less than $100 on Amazon. This is, and you don't even need this. This is just a privacy tent. This is a portable folding bucket. So it like smashes down into nothing. You could use any kind of kettle, or you don't even need a kettle. A pan will work any way just to heat up water. This is a rechargeable battery powered pump. All of these items, I'll put links in my blog post to where you can purchase them, or I'll also drop them in the video comments. Here's the setup. We have the tent over here. The folding bucket, what I do is I fill it up about halfway with just regular cold water. This is a 15 liter, and so halfway is about half to that patch, and you can see the patch inside, so that's like my little guide. Then I take my boiling kettle of hot water and I just pour the water in the bucket. Now I take my pump and I drop it in the bucket. This water is nice and warm. So we're gonna see how much time this gives us for a shower.